Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Weird Magazine app. So let's get started. So here you will just open the Play Store, or you can just open your Apple Store. Then here you have to search for the Weird Magazine app. Go to the search button and search for the Weird Magazine app. So here we can see the Weird UK app. So to download and install it, here we have to check for the reviews also. So reviews are not good. Okay, so that means the app can be a fraud. Okay, so you can install it if you want to, and if you can see here the data privacy and other things, so you can install it from this button. So when you just click on here, it will install. So this is how to install the Weird Magazine app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.